नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल द नॉलेज लाइब्रेरी पर। इन टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम CBSE हेरिटेज इंडिया क्विज। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला सवाल है, रथ यात्रा ऑफ लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ इज मेनली सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच स्टेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज उड़ीसा। अगला सवाल है, which festival commemorates the birth of Lord Krishna? Correct answer is जन्माष्टमी। अगला सवाल है, in which city is the famous Kumbh Mela organized every 12 years? Correct answer is प्रयागराज, हरिद्वार, उज्जैन, नासिक। अगला सवाल है, Which Sikh festival marks the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak? Correct answer is गुरु नानक जयंती। अगला सवाल है, ईद उल फितर is celebrated after the holy month of? Correct answer is रामादन। अगला सवाल है, बुद्ध पूर्णिमा सेलिब्रेट्स द बर्थ ऑफ विच स्पिरिचुअल लीडर? करेक्ट आंसर इज गौतम बुद्धा। अगला सवाल है, गणेश चतुर्थी इज अ मेजर फेस्टिवल ऑफ विच स्टेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज महाराष्ट्र। अगला सवाल है, विच फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट्स द विक्ट्री ऑफ गॉडेस दुर्गा ओवर महिषासुर? करेक्ट आंसर इज दुर्गा पूजा। अगला सवाल है, Pongal is the harvest festival of which Indian state? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. अगला सवाल है, Baisakhi, a harvest festival, is primarily celebrated in? Correct answer is पंजाब। अगला सवाल है, Onam is celebrated in which southern Indian state? Correct answer is Kerala. अगला सवाल है, मकर संक्रांति is associated with the transition of the sun into which zodiac sign? Correct answer is Capricorn. अगला सवाल है, नागपंचमी इज डेडिकेटेड टू द वर्शिप ऑफ? करेक्ट आंसर इज सर्पेंट डीटीज। अगला सवाल है, विच फेस्टिवल इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ हार्वेस्ट एंड ब्रदरहुड इन पंजाब? करेक्ट आंसर इज लोहड़ी। अगला सवाल है, गुड़ी पड़वा मार्क्स द न्यू ईयर इन विच इंडियन स्टेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज महाराष्ट्र। अगला सवाल है, विशु इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज अ न्यू ईयर इन विच पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर इज केरला। अगला सवाल है, उगाड़ी इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज द न्यू ईयर इन विच स्टेट? सही उत्तर है आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना एंड कर्नाटका। अगला सवाल है, विच Assamese festival marks the Assamese New Year and spring season? Answer is Bihu. अगला सवाल है, Hornbill festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is Nagaland. अगला सवाल है, The desert festival is celebrated in which Rajasthani city? Correct answer is जैसलमेर. अगला सवाल है, Losan is the New Year festival celebrated by which community? Correct answer is Tibetan Buddhist. अगला सवाल है, Which tribal festival of Jharkhand is known as the Festival of Flowers? Correct answer is Sarhul. अगला सवाल है, The Wangla festival is associated with which northeastern state? Correct answer is मेघालय. अगला सवाल है, Mopin festival is celebrated by Galo tribes in which state? Correct answer is अरुणाचल प्रदेश. अगला सवाल है, Chapchak is a spring festival of which state? Correct answer is Mizoram. अगला सवाल है, Mayako is a festival celebrated in which state? Correct answer is अरुणाचल प्रदेश. अगला सवाल है, Khajuraho dance festival is organized in which state? Correct answer is मध्य प्रदेश. अगला सवाल है, Sikkim celebrates its harvest festival as? Correct answer is Pang Labsol. अगला सवाल है, Konark dance festival is organized in the backdrop of which famous temple? Correct answer is Sun Temple, Odisha. अगला सवाल है, The famous cultural festival Khajuraho dance festival showcases which art form? Correct answer is Indian classical dance. अगला सवाल है, Which music festival is held annually on the banks of river Ganga in Varanasi? सही उत्तर है गंगा महोत्सव. अगला सवाल है, Which state celebrates Mamlapuram dance festival? Correct answer is तमिलनाडु. अगला सवाल है, The Taj Mahotsav is organized annually in which city? Correct answer is आगरा, उत्तर प्रदेश. अगला सवाल है, Which city hosts the famous International Kite Festival? Correct answer is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. अगला सवाल है, Hemis festival is dedicated to which Buddhist monastery? Correct answer is हेमिस मोनास्ट्री लद्दाख। अगला सवाल है विच स्टेट सेलिब्रेट्स संकट मोचन म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल? करेक्ट आंसर इज उत्तर प्रदेश। अगला सवाल है सोनपुर मेला एशिया's largest cattle fair is held in which state? Answer is बिहार। अगला सवाल है शिग्मो फेस्टिवल is a spring festival of which state? Correct answer is गोवा। अगला सवाल है चिल्ड्रंस डे सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन हुज बर्थ एनिवर्सरी? करेक्ट आंसर इज जवाहरलाल नेहरू। अगला सवाल है टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन द बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ? करेक्ट आंसर इज डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन। अगला सवाल है विच फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज द बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ सुभाष चंद्र बोस? करेक्ट आंसर इज पराक्रम दिवस। अगला सवाल है नेशनल यूथ डे मार्क्स द बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ विच स्पिरिचुअल लीडर? करेक्ट आंसर इज स्वामी विवेकानंद। अगला सवाल है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया ऑन? करेक्ट आंसर इज 26 नवंबर। अगला सवाल है हिंदी दिवस इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन विच डेट एवरी ईयर? करेक्ट आंसर इज 14 सितंबर। अगला सवाल है नेशनल यूनिटी डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन हुज बर्थ एनिवर्सरी? करेक्ट आंसर इज सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। अगला सवाल है थाईपुसम इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय विच कम्युनिटी? करेक्ट आंसर इज तमिल हिंदूज। अगला सवाल है विच स्टेट सेलिब्रेट्स नुआखाई एज हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल? करेक्ट आंसर इज ओडिशा। अगला सवाल है बथुकम्मा इज अ फ्लोरल फेस्टिवल ऑफ विच स्टेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज तेलंगाना। अगला सवाल है कारगा फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच सिटी ऑफ कर्नाटक? करेक्ट आंसर इज बैंगलोर। अगला सवाल है फूलदेई इज अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ विच स्टेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज उत्तराखंड। अगला सवाल है कापुम्बलांग नोंगक्रेम इज अ फेमस फेस्टिवल ऑफ विच स्टेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज मेघालय। अगला सवाल है विच फेस्टिवल इन हिमाचल प्रदेश इज एसोसिएटेड विद कुल्लू वैली? करेक्ट आंसर इज कुल्लू दशहरा। अगला सवाल है Losong is a New Year festival celebrated in which state? Correct answer is सिक्किम। अगला सवाल है Which northeastern state celebrates Motsu festival? Correct answer is Nagaland। अगला सवाल है Mimkut is a harvest festival of which state? Correct answer is मिजोरम। अगला सवाल है पुष्कर फेयर इज हेल्ड इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ राजस्थान? करेक्ट आंसर इज अजमेर। अगला सवाल है विच फेयर इन गुजरात इज एसोसिएटेड विद लॉर्ड शिवा's टेम्पल? करेक्ट आंसर इज कवंत फेयर। अगला सवाल है Which fair is held in West Bengal in January at the confluence of Ganga and Bay of Bengal? Correct answer is गंगा सागर मेला। अगला सवाल है झूलन यात्रा is associated with which deity? Correct answer is Lord Krishna and Radha। अगला सवाल है बनेश्वर फेयर इज मेनली सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच इंडियन स्टेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज राजस्थान। अगला सवाल है विच फेयर इज हेल्ड एट तारनेतर विलेज इन गुजरात? करेक्ट आंसर इज तारनेतर फेयर। अगला सवाल है छठ पूजा इज मेजरली सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच स्टेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज बिहार। अगला सवाल है Which religious fair is associated with Mount Girnar in Gujarat? Correct answer is महाशिवरात्रि फेयर। अगला सवाल है The cattle fair of Bateshwar is held in which state? Correct answer is उत्तर प्रदेश। अगला सवाल है Which city hosts the International Film Festival of India? Correct answer is Goa। अगला सवाल है Which music festival is associated with Tansen's tomb? Correct answer is Tansen Music Festival। अगला सवाल है Which dance festival is celebrated at Konark, Odisha? Correct answer is Konark Dance Festival। अगला सवाल है Which cultural festival is organized in Lucknow to showcase Nawabi heritage? Correct answer is लखनऊ महोत्सव। अगला सवाल है नृत्यांजलि फेस्टिवल इज डेडिकेटेड टू विच डीटी? करेक्ट आंसर इज लॉर्ड नटराज। अगला सवाल है विच फेस्टिवल इज हेल्ड एनुअली एट ममलापुरम, तमिलनाडु? Correct answer is ममलापुरम डांस फेस्टिवल। अगला सवाल है विच सिटी होस्ट द एलिफेंटा फेस्टिवल ऑफ डांस एंड म्यूजिक। करेक्ट आंसर इज मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र। अगला सवाल है विच कल्चरल फेस्टिवल इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड नियर द गिर नेशनल पार्क। करेक्ट आंसर इज माधवपुर मेला। अगला सवाल है विच सिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेज द सूरजकुंड क्राफ्ट्स मेला। करेक्ट आंसर इज फरीदाबाद, हरियाणा। अगला सवाल है विच स्टेट ऑर्गेनाइजेज द डेजर्ट फेस्टिवल शोकेसिंग फोक कल्चर। करेक्ट आंसर इज राजस्थान। अगला सवाल है कर्मा फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय ट्राइब्स ऑफ विच स्टेट्स। करेक्ट आंसर इज झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, उड़ीसा। अगला सवाल है भोगाली बिहू सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच मंथ। करेक्ट आंसर इज जनवरी। अगला सवाल है द फेस्टिवल ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स इज अनदर नेम फॉर विच नागा सेलिब्रेशन। करेक्ट आंसर इज हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल। अगला सवाल है अली ए लिगांग इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय विच असमीज ट्राइब। करेक्ट आंसर इज मिशिंग ट्राइब। अगला सवाल है विच फेस्टिवल इज ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द गारो ट्राइब ऑफ मेघालय। करेक्ट आंसर इज वांगला फेस्टिवल। अगला सवाल है चकन गान नगाई इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट। करेक्ट आंसर इज मणिपुर। अगला सवाल है विच फेस्टिवल इज ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द अपातनी ट्राइब ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश। करेक्ट आंसर इज ड्री फेस्टिवल। अगला सवाल है कर्मा पूजा इन्वॉल्व्स द वर्शिप ऑफ विच ट्री। करेक्ट आंसर इज कदम्बा ट्री। अगला सवाल है विच हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल इज कॉल्ड द फेस्टिवल ऑफ हार्मनी इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश। करेक्ट आंसर इज मोपिन फेस्टिवल। अगला सवाल है महावीर जयंती marks the birth anniversary of which spiritual leader? Correct answer is Lord Mahavira. अगला सवाल है Which Hindu festival celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters? Correct answer is रक्षा बंधन। अगला सवाल है हनुमान जयंती सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन विच लूनर डे। करेक्ट आंसर इज चैत्र पूर्णिमा। अगला सवाल है विच फेस्टिवल मार्क्स द बर्थ ऑफ लॉर्ड रामा। करेक्ट आंसर इज रामनवमी। अगला सवाल है Karwa Chauth is mainly observed in which region? Correct answer is North India. अगला सवाल है, The festival of lights in Kerala is known as? Correct answer is Kartigai Deepam. अगला सवाल है, Which Jain festival is observed as a day of forgiveness? Correct answer is Samvatsari. अगला सवाल है, Which Parsi festival celebrates the New Year? Correct answer is Navroz. अगला सवाल है, Which Christian festival celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ? Correct answer is Easter. अगला सवाल है, Christmas marks the birth anniversary of whom? Correct answer is Jesus Christ. अगला सवाल है, Which city is famous for Ramlila performance recognized by the UNESCO? Correct answer is वाराणसी. अगला सवाल है, Which traditional boat race is held during Onam in Kerala? Correct answer is Valamkali. अगला सवाल है, Dree festival is mainly connected with which crop? Correct answer is paddy. अगला सवाल है, Which festival in Rajasthan is associated with camels? Correct answer is Bikaner Camel Festival. अगला सवाल है, In which state is Tusu Parab festival celebrated? Correct answer is Jharkhand. अगला सवाल है, Posh Mela is associated with which university? Correct answer is विश्व भारती यूनिवर्सिटी शांति निकेतन. अगला सवाल है, Which festival in Goa showcases Portuguese heritage? Correct answer is Carnival. अगला सवाल है, Which festival in Manipur is celebrated with boat races in Loktak Lake? Correct answer is Hikru Hikdongma. अगला सवाल है, Which Buddhist festival in Ladakh includes the Cham dance? Correct answer is Hemis festival. अगला सवाल है, Which northeastern festival celebrates the dance of deer? Correct answer is Lai Haroba. अगला सवाल है, Pongal is celebrated for how many days? Correct answer is 4 days. अगला सवाल है, Which festival in Gujarat is associated with kite flying? Correct answer is Uttarayan. अगला सवाल है, इन केरला विच फेस्टिवल इज एसोसिएटेड विद द हार्वेस्ट ऑफ राइस एंड फ्लावर्स? करेक्ट आंसर इज ओनम। अगला सवाल है, चपचक कुट इज एसोसिएटेड विद विच एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटी? करेक्ट आंसर इज बैम्बू कटिंग। अगला सवाल है, विच फेस्टिवल इन असम इन्वॉल्व्स बफेलो फाइट्स? करेक्ट आंसर इज माघ बिहू। अगला सवाल है, विच स्वीट इज पॉपुलरली प्रिपेयर्ड ड्यूरिंग मकर संक्रांति? करेक्ट आंसर इज तिल एंड जैगरी स्वीट्स। अगला सवाल है, विच फ्रूट इज सेंट्रल टू मोपिन फेस्टिवल? करेक्ट आंसर इज राइस एंड अपोंग। अगला सवाल है, विच नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट्स द सोइंग ऑफ सीड्स? करेक्ट आंसर इज अली ए लगांग। अगला सवाल है, विच स्टेट्स फेस्टिवल इज कॉल्ड खर्ची पूजा? करेक्ट आंसर इज त्रिपुरा। अगला सवाल है, जयपुर इज फेमस फॉर विच इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल? करेक्ट आंसर इज जयपुर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल। अगला सवाल है, which city hosts the International Film Festival of Kerala? Correct answer is Thiruvananthapuram. अगला सवाल है, which annual festival is organized in Kolkata celebrating books? Correct answer is Kolkata Book Fair. अगला सवाल है, which city hosts the Kalagoda Artist Festival? Correct answer is Mumbai. अगला सवाल है, which state celebrates the Sangai Festival? Correct answer is Manipur. अगला सवाल है, which northeastern festival showcases orchids? Correct answer is Sikkim International Flower Festival. अगला सवाल है, which desert festival features turban tying competitions? Correct answer is Jaisalmer Desert Festival. अगला सवाल है, which river is central to the Ganga Mahotsav? Correct answer is river Ganga. अगला सवाल है, which northeastern festival promotes ecotourism and organic farming? Correct answer is Orange Festival. अगला सवाल है, which city hosts the Hampi Utsav? Correct answer is Hampi, कर्नाटका। अगला सवाल है, चैत्र पर्वा is a festival of which tribal group? करेक्ट आंसर इज उड़ीसा ट्राइब्स। अगला सवाल है, विच स्टेट सेलिब्रेट्स मदाई फेस्टिवल? करेक्ट आंसर इज छत्तीसगढ़। अगला सवाल है, विच ट्राइबल फेस्टिवल इन ओडिशा इज एसोसिएटेड विद फर्टिलिटी एंड हार्वेस्ट? करेक्ट आंसर इज छाऊ फेस्टिवल। अगला सवाल है, विच केरला फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट्स द अराइवल ऑफ गॉडेस भद्रकाली? करेक्ट आंसर इज पूरम। अगला सवाल है, विच फेस्टिवल इन्वॉल्व्स पुलिंग द चैरियट ऑफ लॉर्ड सुभद्रा अलॉन्ग विद कृष्ण एंड बलराम? करेक्ट आंसर इज रथ यात्रा। अगला सवाल है, विच फेस्टिवल इन कर्नाटका शोकेसेस फोक डांसेस लाइक डोलू कुनीथा? करेक्ट आंसर इज मैसूरू दसरा। अगला सवाल है, Which northeastern festival includes colorful war dances? Correct answer is Hornbill Festival. अगला सवाल है, Republic Day parade is held at? Correct answer is कर्तव्य पथ। अगला सवाल है, Which day is observed as National Voters Day? Correct answer is 25th January. अगला सवाल है, Which day is observed as Armed Forces Flag Day? Correct answer is 7th December. अगला सवाल है, Which day is observed as National Sports Day? Correct answer is 29th August. अगला सवाल है, Which festival in Maharashtra honors warrior King Shivaji? Correct answer is शिवाजी जयंती। अगला सवाल है, Which festival marks the coronation of kings in Rajasthan's history? Correct answer is गंगोर फेस्टिवल। अगला सवाल है, Which South Indian festival is linked with bull taming sport Jallikattu? Correct answer is पोंगल। अगला सवाल है, Which day is observed as Constitution Day? Correct answer is 26 November. अगला सवाल है, Which day is celebrated as International Yoga Day worldwide? Correct answer is 21st June. अगला सवाल है, Sidonia is festival of which state? Correct answer is अरुणाचल प्रदेश। अगला सवाल है, Which tribal festival is called Madai Mela? Correct answer is बस्तर ट्राइब्स। अगला सवाल है, Which northeastern festival is also called Festival of Dances? Correct answer is चपचारकोट। अगला सवाल है Which Ladakh festival marks the Tibetan New Year? Correct answer is लोसर। अगला सवाल है Which festival in Odisha is dedicated to goddess Samleshwari? Correct answer is न्योखाई। अगला सवाल है Which tribal festival is observed in Nagaland for good harvest? Correct answer is सेक्रिनी। अगला सवाल है Which Buddhist festival celebrates Buddha's enlightenment and death? Correct answer is बुद्ध पूर्णिमा। अगला सवाल है Which Sikh festival marks the creation of Khalsa in 1699? Correct answer is बैसाखी। अगला सवाल है Which festival marks the birth anniversary of Lord Vithoba in Maharashtra? Correct answer is आषाढ़ी एकादशी। अगला सवाल है Which festival is also called Festival of Lamps in South India? Correct answer is कार्तिकाई दीपम। अगला सवाल है Which festival celebrates the harvest of sugarcane in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is पोंगल। अगला सवाल है Which Assam festival is associated with spring and new year? Correct answer is बोहाग बिहू। अगला सवाल है Which festival involves worship of the sun god in Bihar? Correct answer is छठ पूजा। अगला सवाल है Which Goan festival features parades with mask? Correct answer is गोवा कार्निवल। अगला सवाल है Which northeastern festival involves rice beer drinking ceremonies? Correct answer is मोपिन। अगला सवाल है Which Buddhist festival involves mask dances in Sikkim? Correct answer is पंग लापसोल। अगला सवाल है Which Himachali fair celebrates Lord Shiva's marriage? Correct answer is शिवरात्रि फेयर मंडी। अगला सवाल है Which Rajasthani festival is celebrated by married women for their husband's longevity? Correct answer is गंगोर। अगला सवाल है Which Christian festival is observed 40 days before Easter? Correct answer is Lent। अगला सवाल है Which Parsi festival is celebrated as the festival of fire? Correct answer is जमशेद नवरोज। अगला सवाल है विच सिटी होस्ट द राष्ट्रीय संस्कृति महोत्सव? करेक्ट आंसर इज डिफरेंट सिटीज। अगला सवाल है विच नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न फेस्टिवल शोकेसेस rhododendrons? करेक्ट आंसर इज रोडोडेंड्रॉन फेस्टिवल अरुणाचल प्रदेश। अगला सवाल है विच केरला फेस्टिवल इज लिंक्ड विद एलिफेंट्स एंड परकशन म्यूजिक? करेक्ट आंसर इज थ्रिशूर पूरम। अगला सवाल है विच कर्नाटक फेस्टिवल शोकेसेस मैसूर पैलेस इल्यूमिनेशन? करेक्ट आंसर इज मैसूर दशहरा। अगला सवाल है विच फेयर इन वेस्ट बंगाल इज एसोसिएटेड विद लॉर्ड शिवा? करेक्ट आंसर इज गजन फेस्टिवल। अगला सवाल है विच तेलंगाना फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट्स फ्लावर्स बाय अरेंजिंग फ्लोरल पैटर्न्स? करेक्ट आंसर इज बथुकम्मा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच बिहार फेस्टिवल इज डेडिकेटेड टू द वर्शिप ऑफ सन? करेक्ट आंसर इज छठ पूजा। अगला सवाल है विच स्टेट ऑर्गेनाइजेस द तीज फेस्टिवल फॉर वुमेन? करेक्ट आंसर इज राजस्थान। अगला सवाल है विच तमिल फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट्स द विक्ट्री ऑफ मुरुगन ओवर सूरपदमन? करेक्ट आंसर इज स्कंदा षष्ठी। अगला सवाल है विच असम फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड थ्राइस अ ईयर? करेक्ट आंसर इज बिहू। अगला सवाल है Which festival is observed by fasting women for family prosperity in UP and Bihar? Correct answer is हरतालिका तीज। अगला सवाल है Which tribal festival is linked with hunting rituals in Nagaland? Correct answer is Tokhu Imong। अगला सवाल है Which Hindu festival is celebrated as the triumph of Rama over Ravan? Correct answer is दशहरा। अगला सवाल है Which day is observed as National Unity Day? Correct answer is 31 अक्टूबर। अगला सवाल है Which state celebrates the boat race Nehru Trophy? Correct answer is केरला। अगला सवाल है Which festival celebrates the brotherhood of tribal communities in Jharkhand? Correct answer is सोहराई। अगला सवाल है Which festival in Gujarat involves devotion to goddess Ambaji? Correct answer is नवरात्रि। अगला सवाल है Which Assamese festival includes Meji burning rituals? Correct answer is माघ बिहू। अगला सवाल है Which festival in Uttar Pradesh celebrates Krishna's childhood? Correct answer is Janmashtami. Next question is Which Ladakhi festival includes archery competitions? Correct answer is Losar. Next question is Which festival in Andhra Pradesh involves cattle decoration? Correct answer is Sankranti. Next question is Which state celebrates the Hornbill Rock Concert as part of its festival? Correct answer is Nagaland. Next question is Which Odisha festival worships goddess Durga in autumn? Correct answer is Durga Puja. Next question is Which North Indian festival celebrates the harvesting of wheat? Correct answer is Baisakhi. Next question is Which Tamil Nadu festival honors the river Kaveri? Correct answer is Adi Perukku. Next question is Which Goa festival is linked with fishing communities? Correct answer is Feast of Saint Francis Xavier. Next question is Which Buddhist festival is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh Twang Monastery? Correct answer is Torgya festival. Next question is Which Andhra Pradesh festival marks the victory of Narakusura? Correct answer is Naraka Chaturdashi. Next question is Which Indian festival is popularly called the Festival of Colors? Correct answer is Holi. Next question is Which festival in Rajasthan is known for decorated camels and desert folk dance? Correct answer is Pushkar Camel Fair. Next question is Which festival in Kerala honors Lord Ayappa at Sabarimala? Correct answer is Makarvilakku. Next question is Which northeastern state celebrates Tuluni festival with feasts? Correct answer is Nagaland. Next question is In which state is the Itanagar festival celebrated? Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question is Which festival in Haryana marks the worship of sun god by married women? Correct answer is Karwa Chauth. Next question is Which Odisha festival celebrates menstruation and womanhood? Correct answer is Raja Parva. Next question is, in which state is the Kangchenpa boat festival celebrated? Correct answer is Manipur. Next question is, which South Indian festival is dedicated to Lord Murugan and celebrated with Kavadi? Correct answer is Thaipusam. Next question is, which festival in Goa features painted bullock carts and folk singing? Correct answer is Shigmo. Next question is, which Himachal Pradesh fair is held at Nalagarh to honor Lord Shiva? Correct answer is Shivratri fair. Next question is, which tribal festival in Jharkhand is linked to sowing of seeds? Correct answer is Karam festival. Next question is, which Arunachal festival is linked to appeasing the sun and moon gods? Correct answer is Solung festival. Next question is, which Mizoram festival is celebrated after the completion of Jhum cultivation? Correct answer is Chapcharkut. Next question is, which Assam festival is celebrated with the dance Bagurumba? Correct answer is Bihu. Next question is, which Odisha tribal festival is celebrated with Chhau dance? Correct answer is Chaitra Parva. Next question is, which Nagaland festival is linked to purification and sanctity of the soul? Correct answer is Sekrinya. Next question is, which Meghalaya harvest festival is called Dance of 100 Drums? Correct answer is Wangala. Next question is, which Manipur festival showcases the Manipuri Ras Leela dance? Correct answer is Holi of Manipur. Next question is, which Arunachal festival is celebrated by the Adi tribe? Correct answer is Solung. Next question is, which Chhattisgarh festival features tribal dance and folk songs? Correct answer is Bastar Dashera. Next question is, which Uttar Pradesh fair is famous for Krishna Radha Jhulan? Correct answer is Jhulan Yatra. Next question is, which Hindu festival is also known as Festival of Brothers and Sisters? Correct answer is Bhai Dooj. Next question is, which South Indian festival is dedicated to goddess Andal? Correct answer is Adipuram. Next question is, which Sikkim festival celebrates the snow deity? Correct answer is Panglapsol. Next question is, which Jain festival celebrates the attainment of moksha by Lord Mahavir? Correct answer is Diwali. Next question is, which Odisha festival is called Chariot Festival of the Gods? Correct answer is Rath Yatra. Next question is, which state celebrates the Tarnetar fair? Correct answer is Gujarat. Next question is, which Assamese festival is associated with buffalo fights? Correct answer is Magh Bihu. Next question is, which Punjab festival is celebrated one night before Makar Sankranti? Correct answer is Lohri. Next question is, which day is observed as Buddha Jayanti? Correct answer is Vaishakha Purnam. Next question is, which festival is celebrated in Jaipur with decorated elephants? Correct answer is Elephant Festival. Next question is, which Nagaland festival is also called the seed sowing festival? Correct answer is Motsu. Next question is, which cultural festival is linked with the Mughal gardens of Kashmir? Correct answer is Tulip Festival. Next question is, which Karnataka festival celebrates the glory of Hoysala architecture? Correct answer is Hampi Utsav. Next question is, which festival is associated with the Meenakshi temple, Madurai? Correct answer is Chithirai festival. Next question is, which annual trade fair is organized in Pragati Maidan, New Delhi? Correct answer is India International Trade Fair. Next question is, which Andhra festival involves kite flying in January? Correct answer is Sankranti. Next question is, which Odisha festival involves worship of goddess Lakshmi with rice cakes? Correct answer is Kumar Purnima. Next question is, which Tamil festival honors the river Kaveri? Correct answer is Adi Perukku. Next question is, which Kerala festival features decorated elephants and percussion music? Correct answer is Thrissur Puram. Next question is, which city hosts the International Mango Festival? Correct answer is Delhi. Next question is, Which festival showcases wine culture in Nashik? Correct answer is Sula Fest. Next question is, which annual event in Delhi is associated with flowers? Correct answer is Mughal Garden Flower Show. Next question is, which state hosts the Hornbill Rock Concert? Correct answer is Nagaland. Next question is, which event in Mumbai is Asia's largest street festival of art? Correct answer is काला घोड़ा आर्ट फेस्टिवल. अगला सवाल है, विच फेस्टिवल इन असम इज डेडिकेटेड टू स्प्रिंग एंड वुमन फोक? करेक्ट आंसर इज रोंगाली बिहू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल इन राजस्थान इज हेल्ड एट मेहरानगढ़ फोर्ट? Correct answer is Rajasthan International Folk Festival. Next question is, which Tamil Nadu festival is linked with bull taming sport Jallikattu? Correct answer is Mattu Pongal. Next question is, which festival in Goa features colorful floats and samba music? Correct answer is Carnival. Next question is, which city hosts the International Film Festival of India? Correct answer is Panaji. Next question is, which Uttarakhand festival celebrates seasonal flowers? Correct answer is Phool Dei. Next question is, which Himachali festival marks the beginning of apple season? Correct answer is Minjar Mela. Next question is, which Kerala festival involves offering lamps in temples during Kartika month? Correct answer is Kartika Deepam. Next question is, which Punjab festival is celebrated after harvesting of rabi crops? Correct answer is Baisakhi. Next question is, which festival is celebrated as Tamil New Year? Correct answer is Puthandu. Next question is, which Assamese festival marks the end of harvesting season? Correct answer is Magh Bihu. Next question is, which Andhra Pradesh festival involves women praying for their brothers? Correct answer is Raksha Bandhan. Next question is, which Karnataka festival is linked with goddess Chamundeshwari? Correct answer is Mysuru Dasara. Next question is, which Odisha festival is observed as swinging festival of Radha Krishna? Correct answer is झूलन यात्रा. Next question is, which Gujarat festival involves 9 nights of dance dedicated to goddess Durga? Correct answer is Navratri. Next question is, which day is observed as Martyrs' Day in India? Correct answer is 30th January. Next question is, which day is celebrated as Teachers' Day? Correct answer is 5th September. Next question is, which day is observed as National Girl Child Day? Correct answer is 24th January. Next question is, which day is observed as National Tourism Day? Correct answer is 25th January. Next question is, which day is celebrated as National Handloom Day? Correct answer is 7th August. Next question is, which day is observed as National Science Day? Correct answer is 28th February. Next question is, which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? Correct answer is 5th June. Next question is, which day is celebrated as National Technology Day? Correct answer is 11th May. Next question is, which day is observed as World Heritage Day? Correct answer is 18th April. Next question is, which day is celebrated as National Education Day? Correct answer is 11th November. Next question is, which Assamese festival involves Mukoli Bihu dance? Correct answer is Bohang Bihu. Next question is, which Odisha festival celebrates goddess Samleshwari? Correct answer is Nuakhai. Next question is, which Manipur festival is celebrated with sporting events and dance? Correct answer is Yaoshang. Next question is, which Rajasthani festival honors goddess Parvati? Correct answer is Tej. Next question is, which Kerala festival is associated with snake boat races? Correct answer is Valamkali. Next question is, which festival in Madhya Pradesh is linked to tribal dances of Bastar? Correct answer is Bastar Dashera. Next question is, which Nagaland festival celebrates post harvest with songs and dances? Correct answer is Tokhu Imong. Next question is, which Arunachal festival is celebrated by Nishi tribe? Correct answer is Nyokum. Next question is, which Bihar festival is celebrated with folk songs Sohar and Kharna? Correct answer is Chhat Puja. Next question is, which Uttarakhand festival is linked with worship of goddess Nanda Devi? Correct answer is Nanda Devi Rajat Yatra. Next question is, which Indian festival is recognized by UNESCO as intangible cultural heritage? Correct answer is Kumbh Mela. Next question is, which festival of Varanasi involves large theatrical enactments of Ramayana? Correct answer is Ram Leela. Next question is, which Kerala festival is famous for Pulikali? Correct answer is Onam. Next question is, which Tamil Nadu festival is celebrated with chariot pulling in Puri-like style? Correct answer is Ther Tiruviza. Next question is, which North Indian festival symbolizes burning of Holika? Correct answer is Holi. Next question is, which Himachali festival marks the end of winter season? Correct answer is Pagli festival. Next question is, which festival is known for fireworks in Sivakasi, Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is Diwali. Next question is, which festival in Arunachal Pradesh is celebrated by Mompa tribe? Correct answer is Torgia festival. Next question is, which Nagaland festival is observed by Angami tribe? Correct answer is Sekrini. Next question is, which international festival in India celebrates jazz and classical fusion? Correct answer is Jaipur Jazz and Heritage Festival. Next question is, which Punjab festival is celebrated with kite flying, bonfires and dancing? Correct answer is Lohri. Next question is, which festival marks the marriage of Lord Shiva and Parvati in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is Pangoni Uthiram. Next question is, which Odisha festival is celebrated with women swinging on decorated swings? Correct answer is Raja Parva. Next question is, which Buddhist festival in Ladakh features marks dance of monks? Correct answer is Hemis festival. Next question is, which Andhra festival marks the beginning of Telugu New Year? Correct answer is Ugadi. Next question is, which tribal festival is observed in Bastar with rituals of deities? Correct answer is Bastar Dashera. Next question is, which Kerala festival celebrates lighting of lamps at Anamalai Hills? Correct answer is Kartikai Deepam. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.